Hello everyone, welcome to Telangana Exam Center. I hope you are all doing well. Make sure that you study as much as you can and spend a lot of time on your preparation. Minimum 13 to 12 hours you do the preparation, you will get the job. Guys, I request all the students not to waste your time with regard to notification when they will be released and accordingly you are going to prepare. Never do that. Because in the last 5 years we have seen only one notification with regard to all the group exams, and this year also or the next year whenever the notification comes, that will be end for more 2 to 3 years. So I don't think so that you are going to take that bigger risk, and all the UPSC preparing students do prepare for TGPSC also simultaneously. It's not a bad idea, it's a very good idea. You will have n number of opportunities with regard to TGPSC also. Okay, so in our topic of discussion, as I have already told you that many a times I have told you that I am not leaving out any of the current affairs with regard to Telangana, and I am eagerly waiting as much you are waiting for Telangana economic survey to come into being. I really don't understand why Telangana government is not releasing the economic outlook. Lot of data, updated data we have to study. Right. Now, in our lecture today, we are discussing the following topics. Panula Jatara 2025, what does it mean? Vyuha lapse, BC reservation which was passed yesterday in the Telangana Winter Assembly session, an impact evaluation report with regard to gig economy which is very thriving at this point of time, not only in our Telangana but also in India. Right? Okay, let us go ahead. So before going into the discussion, please don't mind for this, just skip 1 minute if you are already aware of it, and if you're not aware of it and the very first time you are watching, please go through this mentorship program, very well designed for the group 1 and group 2 student. And my forte of subjects or expert subjects that I do deal with economy and the formation. So 300 marks you will get in group 1 or group 2, group 3. So very wonderful opportunity to be a part of my 2 important subjects which actually changes your rank altogether. And mains test series only for group 1 student, and also we are having mentorship included in it. All of these courses are a part of my channel, and basically on my channel I'll generally upload formation, economy and current affairs only, nothing more than that. Whatever my expertise are there, that only I'll teach, and I really understand the point here. And I suggest to all the students who are watching me, never join an institute, because joining an institute will only makes the preparation very longer and the classes will be very lengthy and delayed. So if you are actually wanting to complete the preparation with mastering the subjects, you have to join the individual educators. Like you are getting 2 subjects from me and some other lecturer like geography, environment, disaster management. If you are getting like that, what happens? You are well placed with regard to the expert lectures. Not only that, you will get all handouts, personalized mentorship you will be getting from all of us. So make sure that don't put money in the institution which actually does not have at this point of time much to offer. So let us start our discussion with regard to Vyuha labs. What are these labs? Okay. Right. Launched by Telangana Cyber Security Bureau and the International Institute of Information Technology, Hyderabad. It's a cyber innovation hub, strengthening it to fight obviously cyber crimes. That's how we are able to get what? Digital security solution designed to counter emerging cyber threats. This particular Vyuha labs will foster research, training, innovation and capacity building. It will also support entrepreneurs with mentorship and seed stage opportunities. Means if you want to work with regard to cyber related solutions or cyber security, Government of Telangana will give you what? Money from this particular hub, you will get it. And with the help of that funding, only seed funding, they will promote research in the areas of AI driven threats detection, digital ecosystem protection and collaboration between industry experts and academia. Industry basically for the investment purpose, because they will put the money. Experts are nothing but those who are having what? Professional experience with regard to this particular field. Academia nothing but whether the science behind that particular AI, the coding, etc. All of these will come from here. So Telangana, now here one important GK you are having. Telangana Director General of Police at this point of time is Mr. Jitendra Okay, Mr. Jitendra, remember this point. And he also commented the same thing that cyber crimes are one of the fastest growing crimes in the world, not only in Telangana. Now, BC reservation, Telangana Assembly passes 50% cap has been gone up. 42% reservation is this point of time given to BCs. The reason from the CM sir is very simple, that they are not adequately represented with regard to jobs and education. Okay, means they are 56% in our population BC, but their representation with regard to jobs and education is less than 56%. So that is the reason this all the socio-economic recent survey happened, and on the basis of that, Telangana Assembly has yesterday only, in the month of September, today is September 3, September 2nd, 2025, we had a winter sessions are going on. There only we have passed this particular act. 42% reservation will be given to what? Backward classes. And by giving 42%, then adding SC reservation, then ST reservation, then AWS, it is going beyond 50%, which is actually limited by the Supreme Court with respect to Indra Sani case. Okay, Indra Sani case, Supreme Court said that, okay, whatever the reservations are being given, it is all fine, but that should not exceed or increase more than 50%. With this particular 42% reservation to the BC, now what happened is the reservation cap has exceeded. Now we don't know that what kind of, after the passage of this bill, whether the Supreme Court halt this bill or make it invalid because it crosses 50%, we don't know about it. It's still under not judicial scrutiny. So the State Assembly has passed two important bills. One is Telangana Municipalities Bill 2025, Telangana Panchayat Raj Act 2025, because these elections are being held in the month of September or coming month. Okay, that's the reason this passage of bill is very important, because in this particular bill, local body election bills, 42% reservation is given to the BCs. So with regard to elections, with regard to employment, with regard to education, in these three areas, the BC reservation will be applicable in future too. Legislative Affairs Minister of our state, please remember his name also, Sridhar Babu, introduced Municipality Amendment on behalf of Chief Minister Revanth Reddy sir, and Panchayat Raj Minister Sitaka ma'am has introduced Panchayat Raj Amendment Bill. The government recently conducted socio-economic education employment. We call it SEEEP, Socio-Economic Education Employment Political Caste Survey. So with the help of this survey only, you know that a lot of people have said that don't come, you are dividing the society, etc., so on and so forth. But actually good will only happen because it's just a survey and gives you reservations. Now, impact evaluation report is there, 2024, very important report, which is related to even me, because I am also a gig worker. Gig workers are those workers who are actually professionals but working as a freelancer. So Telangana Gig and Platform Worker Union has been there. They have collected data with regard to ride hailing, nothing but Ola, Uber, delivery and service platforms. Okay. So the survey has found that 84.38% of respondents identified low fares, means whatever they are getting the money with regard to these particular platforms, Ola, Swiggy, etc., they're getting very low fares. Okay, that is a big problem, they said. And the next one here is we are having 26% of workers reported being adversely affected by blocking IDs. So if anybody, any driver is very rash or any driver is very rude, generally what do we do on the Ola, Uber, etc.? We will just complain about them and we'll give 1 star. No. So with that, what is happening? They are blocking the IDs. Once the ID is blocked, it will not be opened very soon, and that is also blocking without hearing from the drivers also. 12.5% of workers on the other hand maintain that social security was a concern, means these cab drivers or these Ola, Uber or Swiggy, Zomato delivery agents, they are not given what? Social security in the form of insurance, pensions, they are not getting that. So they are saying that that is also important to them. And many of the experienced people who are also knowing about digital education they are having, they are saying that dignity of work is also very big problem in these platforms. Means the people who are actually making contract with them, the company people are actually not giving them good amount of dignity while talking or while resolving their issues. So 5.73% of the gig workers have said that dignity is another important issue. Long working hours, as much as 12 hours, was reported by 3.65% of the workers as a concern. A lack of sufficient orders bookings were flagged for 4.69% of those surveys. So 4.69% of the drivers and the service delivery agents, they have said that. So they are not getting enough orders per day, not getting enough bookings so that they can derive a minimum livelihood. That is also one of the problem. Now we are having Panula Jatara. This is the last topic. The Panula Jatara organized by Panchayat Raj and Rural Development Minister Ms. Sitaka ma'am. Okay, the government has allocated 2,198 crores, and with the help of this money, over 1 lakh development projects will be undertaken in our state. The government, with the help of this money, is going to construct Gram Panchayat buildings, Anganwadi buildings for the children, cattle sheds, check dams to keep the flood in the proper checking condition, plastic waste unit, community toilets, obviously all will be destroyed in a week by the people, I know that. Rural roads, toilets in school, very important for the hygiene, for the purpose of these children and protect them for the various diseases, and other rural infrastructure projects, nothing but pakka roads, etc., so and so forth. Panchayat Raj and Rural Development Minister Ms. Sitaka ma'am has also said that she launched this particular program at Kottaguda Gangaram Mandal of Mahbubabad district. It is very important. They may ask you in the examination that Panula Jatara program was launched in which one of the following mandal and district. So make sure that you are aware of this. Now we are having very, very good one-liners are there. I really love one-liners. YSR Memorial Award was given to whom among the following the question may come. Subhash Palekar, Dr. Then we have Chadavalta, Nageshwar Rao, C. Padma. All of these have got YSR Memorial Awards, a congressman only. Then we also have Adi Vani. Adi Vani is nothing but the languages spoken by the tribal people are now being translated into easily Hindi and English. It's nothing but translation services. Okay, right now this particular Adi Vani has been launched for following tribal languages like Gondi, Bhil, Mudri, Santali, Kui and Garo. So what you can do is, if you want to learn any of these tribal languages, you can get the conversion in this particular Adi Vani app. National Teachers Award has been given to Maram Pavitra, a teacher at Zilla Parishad High School, okay, in Suryapet district, has been selected for National Teachers Award for the year 2025, and she will be getting 50,000 rupees. Okay, 45 teachers are selected across the country, and she is the only one selected from our state. Big salute to you, ma'am. Okay, now we are having the last current affairs of this particular lecture. Telangana State Council of Higher Education Chairman is Balakista Reddy. I hope this is all clear to you. So do join my mains classes, group 1 mains classes and group 2 mentorship, and definitely economic and formation paper. I guarantee you that you score so high that you are cracking whether if this prelims and mains will become very, very easy. Do follow my channel, do subscribe to my channel, do share to all of your friends who are preparing for the examination, and thanks a lot for supporting me.